When you look at that list of words you wrote down, 158 words, or 122 now, you're going to start to see what I refer to as examples of a bigger concept. In a science list, I'll see predator as a word, prey, consumer, producer, parasite, host. Those are all examples of organisms. You take out the examples. You put them behind, in parentheses, the word organisms. Organisms is one of your words. Organism is the concept you are going to spiral through 40 times this year with different examples along the way. Are you seeing that? I might have figurative language, alliteration, personification, onomatopoeia, allusions, analogies. Those, I don't necessarily spiral through the examples 40 times. I spiral through the concept 40 times. Making sense? We learn what it means through examples. In first grade or in kindergarten, I might have character as a concept because this is the first exposure to it. Character could be an animal. Character could be a person. Characters have feelings. Characters talk. Things happen to characters. Characters could be a tree, depending on the story you're reading. But eventually, as I move up the grade, character is in parentheses behind story elements. Or character is in parentheses as an example of plot development. If you're the first exposure to the word, if you're the first one to introduce allusions to fourth grade, according to the Common Core, then you want allusions alone because you got a lot to do with it. But if you're not going to do parasite and host and predator and prey, that's going to, predator and prey come up in this chapter, parasite and host come up in this chapter, producer and consumer come up in this chapter, and we're just not going to get a lot of mileage out of any one of those examples, but together, collectively, those examples are a part of a much bigger concept that I will work on all year. And if they know that concept, they will be academically successful in my class. Once you start to pull out your examples, I don't say delete your examples because that is sometimes hard, like you're not going to teach it. I don't delete it. I just pull them out and put them in parentheses behind the concept. So I feel like it's still on the list, but it's not one of my 30 lines